Establishing clear classroom routines and procedures is crucial for a well-managed and efficient learning environment. Good morning, class. Before we start our class today, let's review our daily routine to make sure we are get ready. So this is our morning routine. One is greet the teacher. Number two, go to your assigned seat. And number three, prepare your materials. And last, begin the warm-up activity on the board. So let's practice this one. When I say go, I want you go to the outside the door and line up and count properly.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Excellent job, everyone. I'm giving you 5 points because you are doing great job by doing a morning routine every day. Now, who can remind us what to do after preparing your materials? Yes, Jerry.
Begin the warm-up activity on the board.
Yes, you're right. Begin the warm-up activity. Great remembering. Ginaline, remember our daily routine? What should you be doing right now?
The warm-up, sir.
Yes, that's right. The warm-up. Wow, great job, Geraldine. I see you already started. I love how focused you are. Remember, routines help us to stay organized and ready to learn. Every time you follow them, you are building good habits. Let's keep practicing until it becomes second nature.